Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanket Somnath Aunde and I am the student of second year Civil Engineering of Jhil College of Polytechnic and Research, Naregaon, Pune. I have done this project of a rail creep under the project based learning activity. During the project, I was guided by Miss Harsha Shinde ma'am. So we start the project. The content of this project is: what is creep of rail, indicators of a creep, cause of a creep, effects of a creep, methods of correcting creep, and summary. What is creep of rail? Creep of rail is defined as the longitudinal movement of rails in the track in the direction of a motion of a locomotive. Creep is common to all railways and its value varies from almost nothing is about 6 inches or 16 centimeter. Indication of a creep. First, closing of a successive expansion space at a rail joints in the direction of a creep and opening out of a joints at the point from where creep starts. Marks on a rail flanges and web made by spike due to scratching as the rail slide. This image shows actual where creep is happening in a rail track. The causes of a creep. Following are the main causes of the development of a creep. Development of a wave motion in rail by moving the train. This cause also known as wave theory of a creep. Due to load of a wheel, the portion of the rail under load is depressed slightly. As the wheels move, the depression also moves with them. So previous depressed portion regains their original state. Second, precussion theory. This theory states that the creep is due to impact of wheels at the rails end ahead of a joints. The creep by this theory will increase due to weak and loose fish bolts, worn out of fish bowl plates, loose packing at a joints, wide expansion gap, and heavy axial load moving at a high speed. Third, drag or a dragging theory. This theory states that the backward thrust on a driving wheels of the locomotive of a train has got a tendency to the push rail of the track backward, while the other wheels of the locomotive and the vehicles push the rail in direction of travel as explained in a wave action theory. Fourth, starting, accelerating, slowing down or stopping of a train. Fifth cause is expansion or contraction of rails due to temperature. Effects of a creep. Effects of a creep are the several and serious too. Therefore, the common effects of creep are the following. First, slippers move out of square and out of position. Second, rail joints are open out of their limit in some cases and stresses are set up in fish plates and balls, due to which the bolts sometimes break. Third, points and crossing get distorted and it becomes very difficult to keep them correct gauge and alignment. Prevention of a creep. Prevention is always better than cure. If creep is not prevented in time, it will be result in de-alignment of a rail. Following are the common methods adopted to prevent creep. First method of a prevention of a creep: pulling back the rails. Second, provision of anchors or anti-creepers. Third, unbalanced traffic. Use of steel slippers. Summary: the longitudinal movement of rails with the respect to slippers called creep of rails result in the buckling, which may lead to de-alignment of rails and hence serious loss of a life or the property. There are the several theories put forward to explain the reasons of occurrence of a creep, but none of them is able to give the perfect reason. The creep does not vary at a uniform rate, nor does it continue in a one direction, nor both the rails creep by an equal amount. The direction and magnitude of a creep cannot be predicted. However, creep must be prevented by pulling the provision of anti-creepers or use of a steel tough slippers. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society. Redefining excellence.